Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout share for the scrap room. Today I'm going to be playing with one portion of the Flavors of the Month kit for June 2024. The Flavors of the Month kit consists of 4 mini collections, and in each of those mini collections you're going to get 2 pieces of coordinating cardstock that go with that collection, as well as 3 pattern papers from that collection, and then a variety of embellishments. What is the problem? Cat just won't be quiet. So because today I'm going to be creating a recipe, which is for subscribers only. It's very exclusive. When you get the kit, you will get fun 4 recipes, one for each of the portions of the Flavors of the Month kit, so you can create layouts with some instructions if that's your jam. If not, you can create whatever else you want, but sometimes having those quick pages with instructions, and you can hammer out 2 pages really quick, and then you've got all this extra that you can create more with. Yes, honey. I've got a cat talking. I don't know why she's meowing. You can jump up there. It's not in the way. You're fine. Watch. Here you go. But because it is a subscriber exclusive, I will be not creating the page in front of you. But after we go through what is in the kit, you'll see some stills and close-ups of the page that I did create, and then the final product. So let's jump into it. So the 2 sheets of cardstock you will be getting with this Simple Stories Summer Snapshot. Summer Snapshots. Is you'll be getting 2 sheets of Basil Natural cardstock. So it's the slightly off-white creamy, because Simple Stories is really good at doing creamy, even though this one's actually quite white, which is kind of funny. So Simple Stories Summer Snapshots. This first one is called Happy Days for the pattern papers that you'll get. Everybody gets the same pattern papers. You can always add the embellishment add-on to get more embellishments, and the pattern paper add-on to get 2 pieces of pattern paper for each of the 4 collections, which is awesome. I highly recommend that. So make sure you go check out the store to do that. The links will be down below for store and blog and the Facebook group, where there's lots of fun challenges. Okay? The store is also where you will get your recipe from for when you receive your kit. So this is Happy Days, which is a gorgeous floral, and this backside is a beautiful, like, salmon-y colored ledger. I love this. Shh, keep pickles. Shh. Shh, quiet. Jump up. You can. It's right there. Yeah. This one is called Keep It Sunny, and it's super cute. Lemon slices and some lemonade. There's like ice cubes, it looks like, but then this gorgeous fun rainbow stripe. And last but not least, Take the Shot. Really? Oh, paper, or like picture. Does not, well, which is this fun wave paper. And then the back it's kind of like Polaroids, but they're really good journaling spots, actually. And it's like they're taped together. It's kind of fun. So that's an odd name for that. Anyway, so those are the pattern papers you're going to get. I'm going to get this wave paper so you can look at all the embellishments. So the embellishments are going to vary per kit. Everybody's going to get a little bit of a different variety, so do not be surprised if you do not get what I have received. So you're going to get some of the foam stickers from the collection. These are the ones that I received. So I got the word summer. I got a cute camera. It says best summer ever. Dreams are made of sand and sun. So that is super fun. And then everyone's going to get, so it's going to vary. You probably won't get those, but you could get some variety of that or something similar. But it will be from the collection foam stickers. And then you're going to get a little mixture of the bits and pieces, journaling bits, which is going to vary. So I got this one, which is Summer Fun Who Wore One. This is a fun little journaling spot, this tiny little banner. This is a cute little label with a camera on it. Every summer has a story. A little picnic basket. It says days. Laying in the green grass, soaking up in the rays for days. Little t-shirt, bring on the summer. Boombox. sand, pale, lemon, and then golden rays. So those are going to vary per kit depending on which one or what you get. So do not be surprised if you don't get the same ones or if you only get a couple. But that is it. So stay tuned for a few close-ups and the final reveal of what I create with this kit. And check out the rest of the collections on my channel, all the other videos. They will be coming up and scheduled. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching.